Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restore a backup on the Samsung Galaxy A36. Okay, so let's begin. As you can see, I resetted my phone like 2 minutes ago, and now we need to begin with the setup process. So in here you need to select your language. Now connect to mobile network, simply click on next. In here you can click on agree to all of these conditions. Now again click on next. And now we have the easy setup with another device, so that is the first option. So let's click on Galaxy or Android device. You can also pick between setup manually, iPhone or iPad. So let's click on Galaxy. And now we need to scan this QR code using our old phone. In here I have another Samsung device, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I'll open the camera, and now as you can see, it automatically recognized that, and now we have the setup Galaxy A36 5G. Click on setup, click on continue. We need to turn on the location. Okay, and now we need to scan the QR code. Okay, and now continue setup on your new device, so we won't be needing that phone anymore. Now we need to verify that is us, so you need to, draw your pattern from your second phone. Okay, now we need to wait until it connects to the Wi-Fi. Okay, I think it's done, but let's wait a little bit more. Okay, now we have connect to a mobile network, but we don't need to do it now, so you can simply click on setup later. Now copy data from your Android device, so that's what we're interested in. Let's click on next, click on agree, click on allow, and let's pick the wireless option. Okay, so now the process has started. Now we need to wait. Also make sure that your second phone is also close to this one. Okay, and in here you need to select what you want to transfer. You can pick everything, or just calls, contacts and messages, or you can pick the custom option and then pick anything you want. So let's say I only want to restore my calls and contacts. So now click on next. You don't need to set it up in just now. In here, scroll down and click on accept. Also in here you can turn on the backup, but I don't want this for now. Now click on next. In here, select your browser as a default, also the search engine. Okay, now we have the AI, we don't need to turn it on just for now. Again, the process has started, so let's wait. In here, click on next, click on more, and click on agree. In here, choose the display mode, click on next, and now it should be the last thing that's loading. And in a few seconds, I think the phone will be ready to use. So let's wait. Okay, again, click on next. Okay, you're all set up. Click on home, click on continue, or you can click on later on the top right corner. I don't want this app to be installed, so I'll unselect them, click on finish, again on finish, and now the phone is ready to use. Okay, so that was the first option. Okay, so now I'm about to show you the second option. So just like in the first option, select your language, click on next, again click on next, but in here we don't pick the Galaxy or Android device. We need to click on setup manually. Okay, now we need to choose our mobile network. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna type the password. So just let me do it quickly. Okay, now it should work. Okay, now we click on next. Okay, now we have preparing for a mobile connection. This might take a few minutes, so we need to be patient, but for now it's, as you see, it didn't took that much time. Okay, in here we have options to transfer SIM from another phone, scan QR code, but we are not interested in that, so we click on setup later in settings. Again, the process is started, so we need to wait. Okay, and now we have the copy apps and data. So let's click on next. We can't use other device. That's what we want to click for now. Okay, now we need to log in into our Google account. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, then click on next. Now I need to enter my password, so again, give me a second. Okay. Now again, click on next. Click on I agree. Also for this option, you need to be logged in into your Google account on which backup was made. Also, if you don't know how to create a backup, also on our channel we have a video how to create a one. So you can look for it. And now we need to pick restore data from another device and choose a backup below. As you can see, I have many backups that I made, but the last one was not that long ago. So we have our Galaxy A36. So let's pick it. Click on next. Now we need to confirm with our lock screen from that phone, so you can't forget it. And in here you can choose what to restore. It can be apps, contacts, and device settings. So let's say I don't want my apps to be restored. I'll just leave the contacts and the device settings. Click on restore now. In here click on skip if you want. Now click on accept. In here you can also turn on the backup. Now click on next. Again, select a browser and the engine. Okay, set as default. Again, click on continue. In here you can enable the Gemini, but I don't want it for now. And again, getting your phone ready process, so let's wait. Okay, in here you can log into your Samsung account, but if you don't have one, simply click on setup later in settings. It's not necessary to do it right now. Now click on skip. Now click on all, click on agree, click on more, again agree. In here, choose your display mode. It can be light or the dark. Now click on next again. Now, again, click on next, and you're all set up. So you click home, that's all, your phone is ready to use. Okay, so now I'm about to show you the last option. As you can see, the phone is already set up, but we want to get back and restore our backup using the external storage drive. So let's get into the settings. Let's search for the backup. Go into accounts and backup. And now the external storage transfer. Now click on more, click on continue, click on allow. Now you need to plug in your USB storage on which backup was made, so that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm plugging it, as you can see, into my phone, and now it should detect it. Okay, and now we have restore from USB storage. We have the date on which the backup was made. So let's click, and now the process is started. Let's pick on everything, click on next, and now the process is started. So let's wait until it's finished. Okay, now you can disconnect your external storage. Okay, we won't be needing that anymore. And now, as you can see, data restore results, 13 items, 15 megabytes. Now click on next, all set. Okay, and click on done. Okay, and now the last option is by using the Samsung Cloud to restore your backup. So again, let's go into the settings, into accounts and backup. Now we have our Samsung Cloud, click on restore data. Remember that you need to be logged in into your Samsung account and have the backup in the cloud. So now we have the backups from another devices. We have Samsung A56 and also S25, but we are interested in A36, so let's click on it. But first we need to update our Samsung Cloud, so let's wait a little bit until it's finished. Okay, so again, click on restore data, A36, click on restore. Now the process is started. As you can see, it's restoring only the clock and the settings. Click on done. In here you can delete and get some free space on the Samsung Cloud, but I don't want it, so I don't click it. Okay, just to make sure, let's do it once again. Okay, all your data has been restored to your phone. Click on done. And now that's all. Okay, so thank you all for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.